Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. We have already heard rumors, leaks and changes in Samsung's most futuristic flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, expected to be used in the Galaxy S26 for South Korean, Asian and European markets. According to preliminary data, the battery life may be reduced for some Samsung S26 series models. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that, expected to be used in the Galaxy S26 for South Korean, Asian and European markets, Samsung's new Exynos 2600 chip will not feature an integrated modem. Using a discrete modem could potentially negatively impact the phone's power efficiency. Following a wave of criticism surrounding the Exynos 2400 processor in the Galaxy S24, Samsung has decided to equip all Galaxy S25 models with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. However, the company has returned to developing the Exynos 2600 chip using a 2nm process technology, which utilizes new ARM cores and heat path block (HPB) technology. Despite claims of a 39% increase in performance and improved energy efficiency, Samsung has not yet provided specific data comparing the chip's power consumption with its predecessor. According to news source The Elect, Samsung's own Exynos 2600 will feature an external Shannon 5410 modem, unlike the Exynos 2400 and Exynos 2500, which used integrated modems. Placing the CPU, GPU, NPU and modem on a single chip allows for shorter internal communication paths, which improves power consumption and heat dissipation. Furthermore, reducing the number of individual chips also saves space. In contrast, separating functionality into separate chips can lead to reduced efficiency due to the need to transfer data between these components. Samsung is believed to have opted for a modular design because the Exynos 2600 contains a large number of components, and isolating the modem into a separate chip freed up space. As a result, the Exynos 2600 could theoretically deliver lower performance per watt, which will impact the Galaxy S26's battery life. This may explain Samsung's lack of specific claims about improved power efficiency in the new chip. It's worth noting that Samsung's 2nm process delivers an 8% increase in power efficiency compared to 3nm technology. It is reported that the new Galaxy S26 series lineup will launch in February 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.